Oh my God, look at the color it turned. All right, so the exterior of the Plymouth is all cleaned up. Now we're gonna start polishing the paint. It looks like this car has been repainted at some point, so there's some shiny original paint underneath, which means that this wasn't prepped properly, which is why all this paint has flaked off on the top surface. And also doesn't help that all that organic matter etched itself into it, causing it to have all these problems. We're gonna polish it the best we can, get this chrome shined up, make the exterior look more presentable, and then we're gonna start on the interior. All right, and now Margaret is complete. She's finally shining again after, 27 years of sitting in that field?